If you are looking for a baby product that is going to grow with your kiddos, look no further than this. So hey, I'm Lona. I'm a mom of two. I have a 3-year-old and a 5-year-old that were once upon babies, and we use this religiously, but we've also used this as my kiddos have gotten older. So this is the Munchkin hot and cold ice pack. So you've got your 2 gel packs here, and then you've got the burp cloth piece, which these items are intended maybe for more of the colic use, which I used exactly for that when my kiddos were little. Each of these comes with your burp cloth and then your gel packs. So here's our gel packs, the front and the back. The back has all of your directions on how to heat and cool these packs. So it's multifunctional. When my kiddos were little, we'd use them when they were having some of those colicky issues. We'd warm this up in the microwave. Then you can place it within this burp cloth. So you can see you have 2 openings here. Able to fit it in just like such. Work it in a little bit. And then you've got clips up top. So you clip it shut. You've got the gel pack in there, so you can put them in both. Then you're able to put that burp cloth over your shoulder just like such. You've got the terry cloth piece up top, so that burp cloth functionality, and then the warm piece. So when the babies are laying on your shoulder, they get that warmth on their tummy to maybe help with that colic. We also use this for the cold functionality, which honestly might be my favorite. We were going on a summer vacation and there was going to be some warm temperatures, and those little ones, when they are trying to regulate their temperatures, they have some issues. So this helped keep our little man cool. We froze these. Then when we went on our trip, we just threw them in the cooler. So when we're outside and those warm temperatures were starting to get the best of us, put them into the burp cloth here. So I've got my second one. Drop that in there. Clip that as well. He was able to lay on this and get that cold relief in that hot, warm weather. Now, as my kiddos have aged, we continue to use this cold functionality now for boo-boos. We are moving around a lot more in that toddler stage. There's bumps and bruises. This is great to provide that relief, and what kiddo doesn't like an ice pack? So I like that these are pliable. Once again, these are gel inside. So you can move these around and it doesn't stay too hot or too cold for too long. So that's the other piece I like for the kiddos. You know, if I do need to warm it up or cool it off for a boo-boo, it's not gonna hurt them. It's not too hot and it's not too cold. So once again, even for that cold functionality, what I also like with those snaps, you can undo them. And I like to cross them over like such. So now I've got a little dome that works to put that boo-boo on. So put on that boo-boo. There you can see. So I highly recommend this product. It grows with the kiddos. I love it. We'll continue to use it for years to come. Hope this helps.